Michael, Bruce, thank you very much for talking at the Agile Supply Chain Research Club today. I wonder if you could give us a quick overview of the shared user concept and why the partnership was formed between Seva Logistics and Nissan.
Thanks obviously for inviting us. The shared user concept was really, first of all, the result of the market conditions from the end of, say, 2008 to 2009. There were some sort of unprecedented changes in the market in terms of demand and supply, and it was obvious that we needed to develop a supply chain that was a lot more responsive and basically reflected sort of changes in volumes and frequencies, as what we discussed. So really working in conjunction with our customers, and Nissan obviously being one of the founder members, we basically put together a concept of collaboration that was based upon the principles of different users sort of coming together to pool the resources to gain efficiencies in terms of the supply chain, in terms of the drop densities, in terms of the increased utilisation of the vehicles and the subsequent delivery performance that we're able to provide.
And Bruce, how did that affect the culture within Nissan and what you were trying to develop and promote within Nissan as an organisation?
I think the culture within Nissan is a fairly established culture. It's quite a strong culture. Our Nissan way is a well-established way for running our business. I think what we had in terms of this relationship is that we had a traditional way of delivering service through our partnership with Seva, which was based on fixed or dedicated cost solutions where there was a limit to the flexibility that could be engineered. And after many years of working together and trying to get the most competitive solution, we probably arrived there. But as Michael said, the recession and the effects of that and the need to try to have an even more cost-efficient model was driving our solution for the future, and we had to have a different way. Shared user represented a different way. Shared user provides a macro structure, if you like, a change where we can use the detail of something like the Nissan Way or Seva Lean as a method to, if you like, I think, engineer further improvements in the business, resulting in cost efficiencies that we can share, not just between ourselves, but with the other users and shared user, and in overall terms achieve cost down each year, but at the same time not damaging the need to give a quality of service as well, because both things are important in this model.
Can you give us some sort of an idea of measurable outputs from the collaboration?
Yeah, I think one of the key things is in terms of, obviously, there's a reflection in terms of cost, and what we found is in terms of the sort of benchmarking the cost, there's typically been about a 10% saving in terms of distribution costs. Typically in terms of reduction in CO2 emissions, we found that with our members it's about 18% we found. And in terms of vehicle miles, in terms of the actual miles with vehicles travelling for deliveries, we estimate that we're going to be taking 1.2 million miles of road traffic off our road network, which we think's going to be quite a significant improvement.
For us, there's a large amount of money involved here, so for that reason there's very close interest in making sure that what we said we would achieve with this is being achieved, and that's measured regularly, monthly within the business. So I can confirm that those things are being achieved. We go each day to all of our dealer network throughout the UK and Ireland, which means that we achieve more than 99% on-time delivery each day, every day, using this network, and that's not faltered in this. So we've not seen a diminution of the service level through this. So we've got the cost saving. We've maintained the very high service level that we've had. So I think at this stage we'd have to say that's a success. And it's got future years of, if you like, cost reduction built into it, and we're already seeing the benefit of that. So it's not a once and for all, but it's about a year-on-year reduction in cost while maintaining and building service to customers.
Thank you both for sharing your experiences of this partnership. Thank you.